We're keeping up with the Griffins, and if you're new here, we want to welcome you to our channel.
If you're a loyal subscriber here, welcome back.
Today we'll be preparing a meal inspired by our friend, the Wolf Cook.
Before we get into the dish we'll be doing an unboxing gift that he sent to us.
So shout out to the Wolf Cook for sending us this great gift. I'm sure it's great. I don't know what it is, but we're about to unbox it. And if you haven't heard of the Wolf Cook, we encourage you to go check out his channel. He prepares all types of tasty dishes that'll make your mouth water.
Yummy, make you want to slap somebody.
This is what the Wolf Cook sent us.
Wolf Cook. That's good.
Let's open it up.
Okay. Let you do the honors. I wonder what's inside. I wonder what's inside. Okay.
I should have cut that side a little bit more.
Let's see what kind of goodies we got. Ooh, the noodles.
Hello, please enjoy this Wolf Cook merchandise. By wearing my merchandise, you are helping to promote the Wolf Cook brand. Thank you, sincerely, the Wolf Cook.
Cool.
And we have Wolf Cook hats.
And look, it matches our shirt.
Sure does. It sure does.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you so much, Wolf Cook.
Thank you so much.
Sending us this merch.
You know, we love some hats now. Yeah, it's so pretty. And it fits perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect fit. Hey.
Thank you so much, Wolf Cook.
Thank you.
We appreciate you so much. We love your channel. We love watching the meals you prepare.
Yeah.
Giving us some good ideas. We
Looks
really
so
appreciate
good.
it.
Make us hungry all the time.
And we hope all our other friends and subscribers go check you out. Wonderful channel. Wonderful channel.
Wonderful channel.
I really like this hat. Putting this hat on, it made me feel like a Wolf Cook. I want to cook something.
Yes. So I think we should cook one of his dishes, which is the crunchy fried chicken breast with egg noodles.
That sounds so delicious.
Good.
Okay, we're ready to get this meal started. We got our water boiling, we got our pan going for the chicken, and we have our ingredients.
So the ingredients consist of 2 chicken breasts, 1/4 of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of egg noodles, 2 eggs, 1 cup of olive oil, 1.5 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1/4 of milk, 1 lemon, half a stick of butter, 1 cup of mushrooms, and of course you're gonna have your seasonings, pepper, chicken addicts, and salt.
And of course we gotta represent the Spice Addicts, created by Keeping Up with the Catrins. Go check them out. We'll have a link in the description box for their Spice Addicts brand. Let's get this meal started.
The first step in this process is to pour the 1/4 cup of milk into the eggs and stir well. Next, you'll begin seasoning the chicken with pepper, salt, and whatever seasoning you choose. Here I am using the Spice Addicts Chicken Addict seasoning. Link will be in description. Be sure to wash your chicken before seasoning. We didn't show that step, but trust me, we will always wash and prep our meats. Once you finish seasoning the chicken, you'll dredge both sides in flour evenly. And then dip it in the egg wash. And then into the panko breadcrumbs. Make sure all sides of the chicken are covered. As your water comes to boiling temperature, it's time to cook the egg noodles. While the noodles are boiling, it's the perfect time to make the mushroom sauce. Heat your saucepan and melt the half stick of butter. And then the 1 cup of mushrooms. Stir evenly until the butter has melted completely. Next, pour in the 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and stir. Then you'll pour in your 1½ cup of chicken broth and continue to stir. Now it's time to fry the chicken. Pour your 1 cup of oil into a frying pan, sauce pan, or skillet pan. Now be sure to flip the chicken until both sides turn a crispy brown color. By this time, your mushroom sauce should be done. Next, we are going to put some lemon in the noodles, give it a zesty taste, stir up the sauce, put some mushrooms into the pot, give it some type of nice cream of mushroom taste. Looks yummy. You know, I gotta continue to stir. Want to make sure it's thick. Putting some noodles on the plate. Had to add more noodles, y'all, because you know we love to eat over here. Adding the crispy chicken. And right here we're gonna add the cream of mushrooms on the chicken. And of course you gotta put some on the noodles for some extra taste. Put the cute old lemons to the side, make the plate look cute, you know, and presentable. And there you have it, guys. Crunchy fried chicken breast with the side of egg noodles. This looks so yummy, guys. And I'm sure it's gonna taste fantastic. Alright, guys, so now we're about to taste the dish.
And it looks very tasty. I like to say I think this is Wolf approved. Wolf-tastic.
So I'm gonna let you try it first, since I'm the cook.
Real good. I can really taste the mushroom sauce in it.
Now you gotta try the chicken. Crunchy.
Really crunchy.
I wonder how this tastes. Good?
Wolf cook. This is a good recipe. It's so tasty. You better get this plate. I'm gonna eat it all.
Let's see how it tastes.
You better take it from me.
Is that good?
You gotta take it from me.
Let's see.
Good.
This is real good.
Really good. taste to it, ain't it?
Okay, it must be really taking out my hand.
I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon. Get a little lemon taste in there.
I really like it.
And with the lemon, hit the spot.
I'm glad you love it.
I love it. We want to say thank you to Wolf Cook for these hats, this cool merch. Thank you for this tasty recipe.
Listen, I'm gonna follow all your recipes because that is delicious.
If anybody watching this video, go check out the Wolf Cook.
Check them out, y'all.
Tell them Keeping Up with the Griffins sent you.
You will not be disappointed.
He got so many good recipes.
So many.
This might be mine.
Yeah, that look like that gonna be yours.
Oh, we got a whole nother one in there.
Sorry, baby. Your daddy just eating it.
Mine. All mine. This is so good. We hope you enjoyed this video. Take it from me. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the Wolf Cook.
Check them out, guys.
Subscribe to this channel. Tell them we sent you. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.